Measurement of length. Meter scale is used to measure lengths from 10 power minus 3 meters to 10 square meters. A vernier calipers is used for the lengths to an accuracy of 10 power minus 4 meters. Screw gauge can be used to measure the lengths as less as to 10 power minus 5 meters. Let us try to measure large distances and small distances. Measurement of large distances, measurement of small distances. Let us know. First, measurement of large distances. We use parallax method to measure large distances. When you hold a pencil in front of you against some specific point on the background or on a wall and look at the pencil first through your left eye A, closing the right eye, and then look at the pencil through your right eye B, closing your left eye. You would notice that the position of the pencil seems to change with respect to the point on the wall. This is called parallax. The distance between two points of observation is called basis. It is denoted by small b. Here, capital D is the distance between pencil and your eye. Theta is the angle subtended by two directions of the observation, and this angle between two directions of observation is called parallax angle. Our aim is to measure large distance, that is capital D, between pencil and the eye. From figure, you notice that this small b is very less than capital D. Therefore, small b by capital D is less than 1. Hence, parallax angle theta is very small. Under these conditions, if we consider S is the center of the circle and D is radius and theta is radian angle and A comma B is arc length. By definition of radian angle, radian theta is equals to arc length AB, that is small b, by radius capital D. Therefore, capital D is equals to small b by theta. By using this relation, we can determine the distance between pencil and your eye. We can also find the distance between moon and earth by using parallax method. Let us solve a problem. Calculate the angle of 1 degree, 1 minute and 1 second in radians. Use 360 degrees equals to 2 pi radians, 1 degree equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Let us find 1 degree value in terms of radians, given that 360 degrees equals to 2 pi radians. 1 degree equals to 2 pi by 360. 2 ones are 2 180s are. Therefore, 1 degree is equals to pi by 180. Finally, 1 degree is equals to 1.75 into 10 power minus 2 radians. Let us find 1 minute value in terms of radians. As we know, 1 degree equals to 60 minutes equals to 1.745 into 10 power minus 2 radians. Therefore, 1 minute equals to 1.745 into 10 power minus 2 by 60. Finally, 1 minute equals to 2.91 into 10 power minus 4 radians. Let us find second value in terms of radians. As we know, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds equals to 2.91 into 10 power minus 4 radians. Therefore, 1 second equals to 2.91 into 10 power minus 4 by 60. Therefore, 1 second equals to 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radians. So, this is the solution of the problem. Let us solve one more problem. The moon is observed from the two diametrically opposite points A and B on earth. The angle theta subtended at the moon by the two directions of observation is 1 degree 54 minutes. Given the diameter of the earth to be about 1.276 into 10 power 7 meters, compute the distance of the moon from the earth. So here, as shown in figure, the moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B, and theta is the angle subtended at the moon, which is given by 1 degree 54 minutes, and the distance between two points, that is diameter of the earth, is given by 1.276 into 10 power 7 meters. So this is nothing but basis. Given that parallax angle theta equals to 1 degree 54 minutes. As we know, 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, theta equals to 60 minutes plus 54 minutes is equals to 114 minutes. When we convert minutes into seconds, we get theta equals to 114 into 60 seconds. When we convert seconds into radians, we get theta equals to 114 into 60 into 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radians. Since 1 second equals to 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radians, therefore theta equals to 3.32 into 10 power minus 2 radians. As we know, small b, that is basis AB, equals to 1.276 into 10 power 7 meters. We know the formula, capital D equals to small b by theta. Here capital D is nothing but distance of the moon from the earth. Substitute above values in this equation, that is capital D equals to 1.276 into 10 power 7 by 3.32 into 10 power minus 2. Therefore, capital D equals to 3.84 into 10 power 8 meters. So this is the solution of the problem. Let us measure small distances. Measurement of small distances. We use electron microscope, tunneling microscope to measure small distances. For example, to measure size of molecule, we use above microscopes. Range of length. We use certain special units for short lengths such as Fermi, angstrom. 1 Fermi equals to 10 power minus 15 meters. 1 angstrom equals to 10 power minus 10 meters. And also we use special units for large lengths such as astronomical unit, light year, parsec. 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meters. 1 astronomical unit defined as the average distance of the sun from the earth. 1 light year equals to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meters. Light year can be defined as the distance traveled by light in 1 year. And last, 1 parsec equals to 3.08 into 10 power 16 meters.